Customer platform, it's time to start the day. Discover all the value you already own. Don't let solutions slip away. Wake up, customer platform. The tools are at your hand. No need to sleep on capabilities that can help your business stand. The answer's right before your eyes. You just need to realize. Wake up, customer platform, and watch your business rise. Wake up, the platform's waiting for you. Wake up, see what your system can do.
Good morning, HubSpot Nation. It is time to wake up, customer platform, with your number one unofficial HubSpot Updates morning show, where we help you discover the platform value you already own. I'm Chris Carolan, joined by my co-hosts Casey Hawkins and George B. Thomas. We're here every weekday morning to make sure you're not sleeping on HubSpot's true capabilities. If you're joining live, drop a hello in the comments and let us know what you're building in HubSpot today. Happy Tuesday, February 10th, 2026.
Happy Tuesday, everybody.
Happy Tuesday. New location.
New location. Getting there. Need to work on lighting. Obviously, got some zoomed in camera action going here. We'll figure it out this week for sure. Let's dive into some updates in the meantime. Some doozies today. Support multiple main teams for full functionality. As a reminder, this is a major update in private beta.
I need a sound effect for major updates. I don't even know what we do, like a boom, 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 or something. Yeah. I don't know. We'll have to think about that.
I feel like I want some confirmation from the team that there's going to be more major updates before we put that work in. Because there's some other major updates on here. But what's changed in this one? Removed meetings round robin from the list of routing rules included in this update to clarify that this functionality is not yet supported for multiple teams. What is the update? Users can now be fully functional members of multiple teams in HubSpot with equal access to routing and workflows across all assigned teams.
Why does it matter? Previously, users assigned to more than one team could only be full members of a single main team, leading to reduced capabilities and workflow friction for those working across regions or functions. The idea, allow users to be primary team members of more than one team, has collected 200 plus upvotes, including 70 plus replies and numerous comments over multiple years. This change removes artificial limitations, improving collaboration and ticket coverage for organizations with flexible or matrixed team structures. This update also ensures predictable and transparent routing behavior. Previously, many customers did not realize that extra team members were excluded from assignment pools, leading to confusion or inequitable workload distribution. By making all team members fully functional, teams can now rely on routing rules and workflow logic behaving consistently.
That's a good goal, George, making team members fully functional.
Oh yeah, without a doubt.
So thank you, HubSpot, for making that possible.
Yeah.
Video capture. Record videos directly in HubSpot is now in public beta. What is it? You can now record videos without leaving HubSpot.
Yeah, buddy.
No third-party apps, uploads, or device switching required.
Slim down tech stack.
Why does it matter? Sales and marketing teams waste time toggling between tools just to create simple videos. This built-in functionality eliminates that friction, saves time, and keeps sensitive work content off personal devices. Common use cases: personalized bottom-of-funnel sales videos, product demos and walkthroughs, social media content, customer onboarding tutorials.
Let's go, HubSpot. Oh, man.
Yeah. I think we need a soundbite for slim down tech stack
Yeah.
situations.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, this is huge. I do think this is another case of, making it easier for teams that probably weren't creating videos,
Yeah.
and now they will create more videos as it's right in their workflow.
I mean, the beautiful thing is you've now got this and you've got projects, and there's just so much that you could be doing from a video production, one-to-one video process in HubSpot now.
Yeah.
Not to mention like the editor and the Descript integration. Like there's just so much, ladies and gentlemen, that you could be doing.
Yeah. Think about that process that has never been as easy as you think it should be to manage. And you can probably do it in HubSpot now. It's amazing times. Email property in private beta.
Bringing us back down to earth.
What could this possibly be? These two words together, I guess, changes to the email CRM property. What changed already the first time reading it? We clarified that email validation options are only available for custom email properties. HubSpot default email properties are not supported in this release. What is it? You can now create a dedicated email property type with built-in email validation, including checks for a valid email format, such as a required @ and domain structure, and additional validation options like restricting values to specific domains. These validation options are available for custom email properties, giving you more control over how email data is captured and stored. What is it, Casey?
Oh, I didn't know if you wanted the what's not included.
I was wondering that too.
So,
We're just skipping over that speed bump.
We set it up here. So
okay. Either way, it doesn't matter. Well, it does matter. This is why it matters. Accurate email data is key to running effective sales, marketing, and service processes. Built-in validation helps prevent invalid or malformed email addresses, while domain restrictions let you enforce business rules, keeping your CRM data clean and reliable no matter how records are created. Okay, so here's my immediate use case in my brain is like having an email property on the company record to store like the billing email or, something like, those like fake, not real people emails. Chris hates this idea.
I don't hate it. It's a slippery slope.
But that's where like my head goes when like, what are we solving? When are we creating these properties?
Nobody likes the accounting at georgebthomas.com contact record. So we do need to solve for those situations. But oftentimes there's a human behind one of those emails that we should be aware of as well. So add it to the mix of contacts and companies and parent-child structure and all that stuff. But
Yes,
good
indeed.
to have the flexibility. Number 4, restore deleted contacts by user or workflow in public beta. What's changed now includes the ability to filter and restore contact deletions in the recycle bin by both user and workflow source.
Wow.
Offering more precise control over which records to recover. What is it? You can now filter contact deletions in the recycle bin by user and workflow source, making it easier to restore only the contacts deleted by a specific source.
Look, if I don't have my queue, I don't know when to go.
Right. Well, he said that top part like he was done. And I'm like, bro, you didn't even reach your section yet. Like,
I know. I thought I was done.
Yeah.
And then I was like, oh, I got more to do. Oh, same text.
Whoopsie.
Got it.
Why does this matter? Workflow and user-triggered bulk deletions can mistakenly remove hundreds of contacts at once. Previously, you could only restore contacts by date, which often meant restoring unwanted deletions alongside the contacts you needed. This targeted filtering allows you to pinpoint and restore only the contacts affected by a problematic source, saving time and reducing risk of restoring irrelevant records.
Moving
sense.
on. Yep, makes sense.
Let's restore some more data. Seamlessly restore CRM data in public beta. What is it? Seamlessly restore CRM data automatically captures the last 20 versions of your CRM data. Unless you're in contacts, then it's 45 versions, so that you can undo any changes in the last 14 days.
Wow.
Why does it matter? You need to protect your data integrity and quickly fix mistakes. Without this feature, reverting unwanted changes is time-consuming and requires property history exports and imports. Now you can quickly identify and restore recent property changes, maintain data accuracy without leaving HubSpot, and reduce downtime and improve efficiency in managing your CRM data.
Available at the enterprise level.
Yep. As it seems like it would be.
Still helping us with the safety of being able to mess around and find out inside of HubSpot. Number 6, Chrome extension now supports calling. What's changed? Now supports select third-party calling users in addition to first-party users, expanding availability beyond the previous limitation. What is it? HubSpot calling users can now manage their calling connection through the HubSpot Chrome extension. This removes the need to keep a separate browser window open.
Why does it matter? Previously, users needed to keep a separate calling window open to receive inbound calls or make outbound calls using the dialer. This update removes that friction by maintaining the calling connection seamlessly in the background through the Chrome extension.
Makes sense. Had a great calling unboxing part 2 last week with
Nice.
Zach Hushin and Sarah Hall from the team. They are doing some cool things over there in calling. Next on the list, we've got exclude weekends from time between calculated properties. What is it? You can now exclude weekends when using time between calculated properties. This option allows you to calculate the time between 2 dates while skipping weekends, defined as 12 a.m. Saturday through 11:59 p.m. Sunday, based on your account's time zone. This update is available when creating or editing a time between calculation property.
Why does it matter? For many teams, weekends aren't working time, but until now, time between properties counted them anyway. This made it harder to accurately measure things like response times, resolution times, or internal SLAs. By excluding weekends, you can better reflect actual working time in your calculations, get more accurate reporting for operational and service metrics, reduce the need for workarounds or manual adjustments. This is especially helpful for teams that want clearer insights into how long work actually takes during business days.
Weekends not working time. For many teams, indeed.
For many teams.
We've got something in development here. Reliability improvement for open and closed ticket views. Note forward-looking statement at the front here, so no promises, but this is in development. And what will it be? They're planning to roll out a reliability improvement to how open and closed tickets appear in views. With this update, open and closed views will reflect a ticket's current pipeline stage, ensuring tickets appear in the correct view based on the state of work. This applies to default views, including all open, all closed, my team's open, and space open and closed.
Why does it matter? Occasionally, open tickets can appear in closed views, making it harder to track active work. This happens when a ticket remains in an open pipeline stage but has a closed date set, which can cause views to treat it as closed even though the work is still ongoing. This update ensures tickets consistently appear in the correct open or closed view based on their current pipeline stage. That makes sense.
Guys, how many more updates do we have?
A few.
Can I ask you a question and then we can move on, dependent upon your answer? If I say take Sales Hub with you everywhere, do you guys know what I mean?
I'm assuming it's a mobile app reference.
No. Okay. Let's do a couple more updates because I just stumbled across something because I wanted to see the like phone thing in the extension. And I think I just stumbled across something that we need to talk about.
Okay.
But let's
So
continue.
George is saying keep it moving, people.
Yeah, because holy crap.
Any hard stops on your side?
Let's just keep rolling.
Okay. Because I thought you were going to be excited about this one.
No, don't get me wrong. I am excited about this one. But I need let's keep going. Keep going.
Tasks app rebuilt on CRM framework. In private beta, not able to request beta at this time, though. What is it? The Tasks app has been rebuilt on HubSpot CRM framework, giving you the same views, filtering, and organizational tools you use with contacts, deals, and the other 15 to 20 CRM objects.
Why does this matter? Tasks are essential for staying organized, but they've historically worked differently from the rest of your CRM. This update makes tasks behave consistently with other objects, so you can view and organize tasks using familiar CRM patterns, filter, sort, and group tasks the same way you work with contacts or deals, adapt task management to match your team's existing workflows. This looks, I wish we could request the beta.
This is the beginning of some great stuff that's going to be happening. I can just feel it. I smell it.
Yeah, this is how we get to here. The custom properties.
Yep.
Right? But already you'll be able to select your preferred view, table, board, or Gantt charts, which will be huge for many. We've got display support for 0% tax rates. Did you know you could do sales tax and tax rates in HubSpot? What is it? Users can now display $0 tax amounts when tax is assessed at 0% across quotes, checkout, invoices, and payment links. This applies to both portals using automated sales tax and those configuring their own tax rates through the tax rate library.
Why does it matter? Previously, $0 tax could not be shown to buyers. Portals using AST would suppress the tax display when the result was $0. And users configuring tax rates were blocked from creating 0% rates entirely. This made it unclear whether tax was calculated or simply skipped. This update improves transparency by allowing 0% tax rates to be configured and displayed. It ensures buyers understand when tax is assessed, even if the amount is 0, helping to reduce confusion, build trust, and improve documentation and billing clarity.
Nice.
Our second major update.
A few more. Customized display of line item properties in CPQ quotes. What's changed? Custom line item properties are now supported. What is it? You can customize how line item properties are displayed as columns or inline rows in the line items table for CPQ quotes and templates.
Why does it matter? Previously, you could not change how line item properties were displayed on quotes, preventing you from customizing quotes to represent your offering properly. This new functionality enables deeper display configuration and customization, and, for example, allows you to show important information like tax amount on quotes. You can now show or hide any line item property from displaying to buyers on quotes as either columns or in-row lines, rename the display labels for any line item properties, reorder how line item properties display within rows and columns, and reorder the line items properties. A lot of reordering.
Yeah.
Looks like we're
A
gonna
lot
need
of
that
taxes
major.
happening.
Looks like we're gonna need that major update soundbite after all.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
In development, improvements to reply recommendations. What will it be? They are unifying reply recommendations and customer agent into a single cohesive experience. This update includes reply recommendations setup now lives within the customer agent app, a streamlined rep experience and help desk with an improved reply flow, higher quality recommendations that are more personal, thorough, and accurate.
Why does this matter? The challenge: support teams need to move faster without sacrificing quality or control. The solution: reply recommendation, gives AI-powered recommendations that keep humans in the loop. Review, edit, and send. Reps stay in control while moving significantly faster. Why now? Reply recommendations and customer agent already share the same content source. This update makes it easier to get immediate value from customer agent without deploying a live autonomous agent. It's a low-risk entry point that lets teams respond quickly and close tickets faster, deploy AI assistants without going fully autonomous, build confidence in AI outputs through hands-on experience, improve answer quality over time as your team refines content sources, and manage everything from a unified admin experience.
Nice.
I love this so much.
I really like this.
Yes.
So we don't have to compete with the customer agent. We can collaborate with it sometimes. That is awesome.
That's nice.
And now we don't have to recreate a knowledge base or a custom assistant to do what's already been set up in customer agent. Last one on the list today, app auto translate, now enabled by default with flexible language selection. This is live in the developer portals. What is it? We've migrated auto translate to our unified marketplace platform, fixing recent bugs and improving the submission experience and end customer translations. If you already have translated listings, manually or automatically created, you won't see any changes. This update enhances reliability and streamlines new submissions. What's improved? More reliable translations. Bug fixes on the new infrastructure means smoother processing. You're opted in by default. Auto translate checkbox is pre-selected, reducing friction for partners who want global reach. Get granular language control. While HubSpot recommends enabling all languages for maximum marketplace visibility, you can select specific target languages if you prefer a phased rollout or have an existing page in this language. And at a glance status, see which languages already have draft or published listings directly in the language selection accordion when making your selection. Since I'm not seeing it anywhere else, this is for apps on the marketplace.
Yeah. Why does this matter? Manually maintaining multiple localized listings is time-consuming and prone to inconsistency. This feature streamlines the process, reduces efforts, and ensures content is consistent in all regions, making it easier for providers to reach global customers. But yeah, to your point, Chris, this is not about websites or landing pages or anything like that.
Yeah, this app, not to be confused with this app.
You get an app. You get an app.
Everybody gets an app. All right, George.
Yep. So I'm sharing my screen. I don't know about you guys, but I don't very often like run up to the sales extension. It just
can't say
sits
I
in
do.
my browser, right? It sits there. But this morning I was looking at that calling thing, or looking for the calling thing, and notice take Sales Hub with you everywhere. And so I hit this Learn More button, and it basically says, hey, George B., you're all set up. I can start using HubSpot Sales for Gmail. Okay. That's not what excited me. I said Sales Hub everywhere, and check out a demo. And so if you click on this, take Sales Hub with you everywhere on the web. With Sales Hub everywhere, you can access contact and company records while on the web, add new companies directly to HubSpot, call, email, or enroll contacts in a sequence. Use Breeze Copilot to help you research companies with ease. And okay, turn on Sales Hub everywhere to explore. Okay, so I turn it on, pin the extension to Chrome, which you can see I did. Try it on other websites, and like, okay, so let's go back to the website, and now I can check out the demo and check this out. But holy mackerel, here's a tab. Oh my goodness.
That looks a lot like
I'm just
AI assistants.
I'm just saying. So like if I go to Sidekick Strategies, this is not planned, by the way, so hopefully I'm just not fat fingering my
live
own
impromptu unboxing.
Sidekickstrategies.com. And now I've got this little tab. I click that, and HubSpot Sales now is like, I can keep a note, an email, a call, a task, a meeting. This contact doesn't have legal, but there is no contact. It's a company. Anyway, about this organization, activity, contacts. Oh, Jorge works at this company. I know Jorge. Let me reach out and talk to Jorge. Holy mackerel.
Lifecycle stage lead. What's our nurture plan?
Oh my goodness. So if you haven't checked that out, HubSpot Sales everywhere. My.
Very cool.
That is interesting. Yeah. So the thing, it does give you a 4-part here. Let me share again, and then we'll get out of here. It does give you a 4-part, because I just dove into the deep end of the pool, by the way. It basically says company info immediately available, opening the HubSpot Sales side panel on your prospect, blah, blah, blah. Add new company in one click. You can create a company in HubSpot and then add extra data associations directly from the extension. Click the button to continue. Manage your CRM data, update company and contact records in the side panel. You can also, so you can do stuff in HubSpot without even being in HubSpot. Okay. Call, enroll contacts in sequences, and then use Copilot on the go. I'm pretty sure it's called, Breeze Copilot. Anyway, leverage Copilot across the web to help you do research. Oh, because that's actually part of it. I thought that, like, I wasn't even paying attention to that was part of it right there. And so let's end demo. So if I go back over here, let's go ahead and hit that little shenanigan. And there it is. It brings Breeze right into this website and into this conversation. Wow. And then we go back to settings.
Folks. Remember, you probably already own the solution you're looking for in HubSpot, or maybe it's even HubSpot outside of HubSpot. Sometimes you just need to wake up to it. Join us tomorrow morning live at 7:30 a.m. Central, or catch us anytime on Spotify, Apple Music, or the Profoundly HubSpot Updates blog. Drop your biggest takeaway in the comments and let us know what capabilities you want to wake up to next. Until then, I'm Chris Carolan.
I'm Casey Hawkins.
I'm George B. Thomas, going on LinkedIn right now. I'm posting about this junk.
And this has been Wake Up Customer Platform. Now go build something amazing. Have a great day, everybody.
Customer platform, it's time to start the day. Discover all the value you already own. Don't let solutions slip away. Wake up, customer platform. The tools are at your hand. No need to sleep on capabilities that can help your business stand. The answer's right before your eyes. You just need to realize. Wake up, customer platform, and watch your business